I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking. As yesterday, I watched social media platform and I saw a premiere Gauteng Panyaza saying Lendo Ifunwayo. He's a member of the ANC, but that guy is always thinking out of the box, and he doesn't follow the normal route of abantu aba-ANC abacinga ngalo. You understand? He's an ANC member, but he listen to abantu abathina. On the ground, we started land up Eastern Cape, Yes Forum, crime fighting forums. But when they started to operate in Joburg, then instant or as a leadership yalapha, they were skeptical of taking any decisive action to empower and to assist the forums. But Panyaza went ahead, went ahead and empower as a forums apaya, and they were benziwa some sort of, I think they are called wardens, crime fighting wardens. Yeah, understand. And that's yesterday. And today, when I woke up, I saw the president of the country saying they are beefing up the country. I think it's a video, a Kuchai Department of Employment, and Labor. They are going to beef up the Labor Department. They are going to beef up immigration. They're going to collect immigration, police, no labor, bangene door to door and check with people that are employing foreigners. And I thought this thing need to be extended. The reason why, and I said it yesterday, the reason why we have influx of foreigners is people that are accommodating the zone. And I hope abantu understand the issue of a foreigner. Mhlawumbi nam I didn't want to be involved in this thing. I thought it was xenophobic. But when you sit down and understand it, really, and it's or everyone in Africa, they see South Africa as a better place. And what is happening, people, abundant potential, people that are having energy to fight in their country, to fight for something that is right, or like to take arms, to challenge the government of the day in those countries. Those ones that are fleeing to South Africa, they have the energy, they are prepared to walk, they are prepared to do whatever, and they are spending all that energy to reach South Africa. And when they reach South Africa, they don't want to go back to their country. And the question is, the situation in their countries in Africa, zizawulungiswa ngobani? And hence I love the idea. You understand that it's not about mabahambe ka. It's mabahambe with the intention of fixing up these countries. It's mabahambe with the intentions of making Africa a better place. Mabahambe, I like, today I saw a guy, a group of Zimbabwean, I think they were in Gauteng, Joburg, and they had a march and to police head office. And what they say, you would expect the Zim guys to be complaining. No, those guys, they say, arrest every Zimbabwean that is in South Africa, so that these people that are comfortable in South Africa must go back and fight the system that is there, that is abusing people of Zimbabwe, so that they can get the Zimbabwe baby right. To me, It comes, I had a house, I've got uSkhulu, uSkhosi, I've got uNdlovu. They are all Zimbabwean. They are my friends. I've got Unchebe. He is from Mozambique. They built my house Lepakatu. And I explained to them, Mapuchin, listen, guys, not that I hate you. They know I love them. And they know I need to fix certain things before Baham. I know how, I won't say they're cheap. I know how understanding, because labor yabo, land prices zabo ziyafana now as South Africans. They are not cheap. Because of equality. Babe cheap mhlawumbe ufika kwabo, but today they are, I would say, andibaqeshi ngenxa yoba be-cheap, ndibaqesha ngenxa yoba they can do umsebenzi within ixesha elincinci than i-South Africans. And ndiyawuthanda umsebenzi wabo because I've been working with bona. So there's no hate between mna, noSkhosana, noNdlovu, noNtshebe, noLandia, noSmile. There's no hate. But we're saying, if bonke balapha eSouth Africa, and who's gonna fight for izinto for uba iZimbabwe ifane neSouth Africa if balapha? And hence, I told them, listen guys, I don't hate you, but the call ekhoyo ngoku ayocall yase-South Africa, i-call yase-Africa ethi, let's fix the whole Africa. Africa is rich with everything, but the management or the politicians that are managing our countries, they are fucking our country up, all these countries up. So people must raise up, must stand up, and bayolwela iZimbabwe, iMozambique, ibe yile South Africa. Zonke izinto bayibonile uba iSouth Africa ine-capability obengakwazi uzenza, and so is iZimbabwe. Zonke ezi countries ziyakwazi uzenza if ii-resources zimanejwe kakuhle. And ndithi mandiyirayize le nto lena, because yesterday or namhlanje I received a call from this chap, is Ati and Nakumopi from Go64 Aparatu Mdantsane, and they saw bendikulaa mos capturing nibonile apha kuni, and there are certain things abantu bathi mamele uba ndizivezile, and I was told uba no, into ezithile and they need not to be too azikwazi uvezwa. So we need oba abantu bakwazi uyozimamelela, not only it's just highlight i-BCM TV bekunjani embizweni, but we cannot discuss yonke into understand yembizo yamadoda with ikube yamadoda anyway. But nevertheless, out of layer meeting, then the issue of we were to this foreign national, which was Thomas. I've got nothing against Thomas. As I don't have anything, nomthatha as uSkhosana, nomthatha as uNdlovu, nomthatha as aba bantu bendisebenza nabo. And when they mention amadoda imention iligama, benento bebendibawuluya kuyo, but I said, okay, let me be there so that I can monitor oba ingaba le message kuthiwa uyoxelelwa nje ayizojika to be something else, you understand, because iyakwazi into igqibele uba nisithi izokwenza olu hlobo xa ndifika phaa. And at the same time, I went there because I know Thomas, and I wanted to uba, okay, if there is anything, sikwazi abantu aba-sober-minded sikwazi unqanda. And there's nothing at all that went ecaleni phaya. Abantu bebeyile basibekunqandana even on the way yakhona. You understand uba, okay, let's try uba sifike sibe calm, and iyadi yomntu khona, respecting iyadi yomntu, kodwa makungena abantu abayi-4. And when there was argument, and ndayibona uba iyakhula, and I went there You understand? Uyocheck uba yintoni le argument because bendicinga uba into ezongeza uba lula because I was there as a media. Ndikhona okay, let me listen. Ndifumanise uba kulaa nto kuyaxoxwa, I understand. And it was not supposed to be xoxwa. Bekusupposed uyaxelelwa. And the only person, the person now that is raising itone yakhe, it was Thomas ngosikabona uLelethu. Ndithi Lelethu, you the one nimfakileyo enamfakayo. I know yoba yeqala njani forum. You the one abanafaka uThomas. Talk to Thomas. And these guys ezi bezithunyiwe, they suppose uba mhlambi sibize uLelethu. There are a couple of ways, but ilandika sibize uLelethu and talk to Lelethu. We don't want uThomas kule forum uyileadishayo. Please, you understand? Or we should have called you Thomas and say, Thomas, thank you so much for your contribution in fighting crime. But I think it regarishwe lando when we saw a folder of a lady ebeliphethe belibethelwe ibrother yayo, you understand. Xa lisibona sisiya siyoconfronta kuyoxelela uThomas uba we don't want them, we don't want him or any foreigner in crime fighting because kwabona abanamaphepha, of which that's a valid reason. So when zaqala apho ke ngoku when kuvela le into and i-Tempers and kwabe uThomas eyadini enyuka naye, and abantu bebeye khona, they even controller le into, bakhutshwa abantu eyadini bebekhona because there are about 6 now abantu abangenileyo eyadini, but bakhutshwa bebeseyadini. And abanye they were standing ngaphandle ngenxa yoba besibona uba ingathi kuyanyukelwana ngaphakathi, so they wanted to go. But the guys beziseyadini, they managed ubanqanda uba masekujikwa guys, besizele uyomxelela qha and simxelela uba we don't want him. And today late and then ndifowunelwa ke ngoku ngaba bantu kulo mfana lo that is standing for ukansila and Nomopi, understand, esithi I know abahlali bapha, they want to voice their side of the story. And I think if amadoda ebelanda, my thinking will be, okay, I'll get this chance can do mamela. Actually, that was my answer. Okay, this chance can do mamela, but I was not the organizer of the match, and I was there as a media person and at the same time as a person that is residing around 11 and Tanzania, and as a person or indoor. So I don't know really, and resolution, and I cannot give them the name of the people that are organizing because as a journalist, sources they are very confidential. You understand? We need to basimbuze umuntu before sikhuphe into zakhe. Yeah, understand? I say no, you won't get it from. So into ezama uyithetha guys yoba we cannot, I mean, I even got Thomas plus nala crew yakhe. But I'm the type of person that is saying if the thing and believe by right. You understand that then the standard with my words. My words are saying until the convince were otherwise. What was said kwimbizo yamadoda and what was done by imbizo yamadoda, there was nothing wrong at all. And by your Thomas, there was no fight, there was no tonton, you understand? It is still right. Okay, so move away from Gleo into land again. Let's think a little bit deeper. And I had another conversation with another four Landiga organizer of as much as I understand. And tunondaba ke yabona ziyathanda nezindaba uthi zidlula nje ndizinqakule yabona ndivele into ethi hey, they've been approached by ilandika abantu bofika base-highway and they are asking for extension. They are asking for abantwana babo bagqibe. They know by 30th June is the date and they are all prepared. Most of them, they are prepared to go, but they think it's too short for Babakwazu fundraiser. and of which bayibeka all the valid reasons, you understand, zonke reasons abazibeka zi-valid, and to a person onjengam, they make sense, you understand. And but the question ephinda ireyizwe, you understand, and of which is a concern yoba should oba kuthiwa i-South Africa yonke ithi mabahambe nge-30th and the Eastern Cape guys or the East London or Kukompo guys or the Mdantsane guys give them an extension, andiqonda uba aba bagxothwa kwezaa ndawo and aba balapha they will tell abanye uba there is an extension East London, people balapha eMdantsane they understand, so yizani sizolinda apha while sisaqokelela imali ohamba, and ezaa numbers zinintsi zabo will so banayo i-manpower xa zilapha to chase away. That's another thing, but you need to, with the catch-22 situation whereby you've got humanity side and you've got a logic side that need to be done. And I said, and naye batsho ke abantu bathi now let's take it to another mhlambi another rally or into another mbizo and discuss it xa kwixesha livuma. But I say okay, no, it's fine. So there are a lot of developing stories, but guys, people, not because, well, I think it was unfair with the contribution ayenzileyo abantu, especially Thomas, and I think there are two of them, and enye yabo even now ibanjiwe yabona ngenxa yezinto ze-forums. And the question ilena ke, we need mhlambi a polite way or a nice way, but i-struggle sethu cannot be postponed because of abantu ababini, you understand, and they need nabo understand about where we coming from. Thomas is a friend kum nabanye, I never had any hostility with bona, but kulena into I'm standing with abantu basekhaya and saying we need you guys, go and fix Zimbabwe. We want to visit Zimbabwe. Mhlambi when everything is settled, when everything go right, then people will come ngendlela right, nathi siye ngendlela right to Zimbabwe, sivizithelane as brothers and sisters, and this thing will be a joke in the past, you understand, but it doesn't have to reach a stage uba kude kuliwe or kude abantu bafoswe, kude kutshiswe or kude kudestroy into zabantu. I'm not for leyo into. It doesn't have to reach there, but people, they need to understand uba South Africans, they want to fix a country and nabo bayanithuma uba banolungisa ii-country zenu, and that's the idea endicinga uba i-right. That's why I'm here and I'm standing. Nam ndicinga uba ndiyiqhwabela izandla into lolo hlobo. Well, we might differ nge-understanding, you might differ with mna, but your opinion and my opinion zizoba, understand, azizofana at all. You might have something on uba ulikorekisha, nam I might have something in uba ulikorekisha kuwe, but how I feel currently, that's how I feel. But anyway, thanks guys for undimamela with yonke le nto lena. Yeah, good night.